Good afternoon, everyone. Gabe Velazquez here with you, TransparentTradeSolutions.com on a Tuesday, 12th August. All-time highs, obviously, in the S&P. Let's get right into the charts. Um, Milder than expected CPI numbers today is propelling the market to all-time highs. One laggard is the Dow. You can see the diamonds here. But S&P at an all-time high, NASDAQ at an all-time high. All this coupled with the VIX coming down into the mid 14s may be setting up for, like we had last, a couple of weeks ago, may be setting up for a pullback here. VIX is sitting right at those lows here that have created some volatility. We'll see if that's the case this time around. Russell also picking up a little bit. It looks like that wants to break out. And rates little change, which is interesting. So we had very little change in the interest rate, even as supposedly inflation's come down. Even the dollar kind of just churning here. There's not much happening elsewhere. One other thing of note, grains we had an ag report today, had a big pop in soybeans. I've been talking about the grain markets here. The wheat and corn markets actually went in the opposite direction, which is very interesting. So we'll see if that actually creates some buying opportunities in any of these. Clearly, the soybeans look a little bit more bullish. And then, nat gas still can't get a break here, even with all of this talk about the tariff deals involving some of these countries buying our nat gas and whatever. It looks like we're probably heading down to 275 MBTU and even lower. We just have way too much inventory still. But other than that, we'll see what happens. Again, I have a class coming up talking about particularly about low implied volatility. In fact, with the VIX under 15, that actually sets up for some really great opportunities because usually low volatility creates high volatility. And so, that means that options premiums are very, very inexpensive. And obviously, when the volatility picks up, that's when you make the most amount of money. So sign up for that class in the link below, sign up for the newsletter, and I will see you on Friday. We have PPI, by the way, and retail sales by Friday. And then we have Jackson Hole next week. Looking forward to that. Okay. Have a great week. Take care.